Here we are for another session of PLP's distribution tips and tricks. Today, we're going to talk about when hot sticking a form wire product on to fully install the tip ends. Now this here is an application ring that's called a crossarm pick made by PLP that assists you with putting these ends in. If you don't happen to have this though, there is another method of being able to snap that end in, and that is using the wing nut that is supplied on your hot stick. Take the wing nut, lay it up here on the tipped ends, turn your stick gently, not a whole lot of pressure is needed, and the ends are fully installed. You're not fully installed with a form wire product till the ends are clipped in. I hope this helps. Thank you.